How to print Waybill in Shopee using a mobile phone. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to print Waybill in Shopee using a mobile phone. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Shopee application on your mobile phone. So once you open the Shopee app on your phone, go to your profile and here you will see an option that says My Sales. Tap on My Sales. Then you need to tap on the arrange shipment of any product. Now confirm that and then it will give you a code. And now tap on the option Print Waybill. You have to wait a moment and a print of the Waybill will be in your hands. Double check that the Waybill was printed correctly with all the necessary information visible and legible. After printing, attach the Waybill to the package securely. You can use tape to ensure it stays in place. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.